Alright, guys. Alright, so it's another fun-filled adventure with this game. Um, let's see. Okay, so I um I added sound, and uh, as it turns out that it's very difficult to record sound from the desktop as well as from a recording device. So I had to download a free software program to let you do both. Yeah, let me care. Okay. Let's see. So I had to actually do this a few times, so because I kept messing it up, but whatever. All right, so I'm going to show you two versions of using sound: the normal version and the mentally ill version, which I use from sounds that I downloaded from a fat maniac. All right. Anyway, let's play it. Here's the normal version. All right, check it out. All right, let's see. Let's make sure this plays. All right. Yeah, baby. Yeah, check that out. Music in the background, huh? Woo! Woo! Okay, yeah, that's the ending sound. All right, very nice. Actually, I have to figure out how to end the music. I just didn't bother. All right, yeah, I'll do that a little later. All right, so now we're gonna play the mentally ill version, which takes a bunch of sounds that I recorded, and and it'll randomly pick a few of them. Like I also had like a weighted list, so like some of them will play more than others. Should I do that? Yeah. Fuck it. Let me add the normal one as well, just to see what happens. All right. Let's play this. Let's do this. All right, here we go. It's so exciting. All right, here we go. Here's the music. This better fucking work.
Ha ha! Ha ha!
We know.
Ha ha!
Here we go. Come on.
Ha ha! Ha ha!
The fuck?
Mein Leben! Ha ha! Ha ha! Ha ha! Mein Leben! Mein Leben!
I'm sorry. Anyway, Bio Energy. What the fuck? What do you think I am, Bioware? This asshole I show up like what I'm doing. He's like, oh, I can't believe that looks pixelated. Yours looks pixelated, you motherfucker. I don't know what I'm doing. It's like, I need some fucking approval here. All right, I'm done.